Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting a trusted password manager and installing it on your primary device. Create a strong master password you can remember but others cannot guess. This guards everything. Once done, enable device sync only if you understand where data is stored. Next, import any existing passwords or start a fresh vault and save your first login. Make sure automatic updates are allowed so security patches install promptly. This prevents many common vulnerabilities. You now add and structure your logins. Log into accounts and let the extension capture credentials automatically so entries are accurate. Then, organize with folders or tags to find items quickly. Consider naming standards for clarity. For new accounts, use the manager's password generator and copy the strong password into the account form, then save. Once done, store any recovery codes or 2FA secrets as secure notes. Make sure autofill is enabled only for trusted sites to avoid credential leaks. Finish by creating an encrypted backup and enabling two-factor authentication on the manager for an extra layer of protection. You should store recovery codes offline, paper in a safe or a separate encrypted drive. Once complete, test logins on a secondary device to confirm sync and autofill behavior. If something goes wrong, first check app version and internet sync, then restore the vault from your encrypted backup. If you cannot access the master password, follow the service's recovery procedure and use your saved recovery codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.